What's up everybody, Coach Grace here today. I have a spring salad that I'm so excited to share with you. It is springtime. There are all these beautiful colors here and I am so excited to make this with you guys. So I'm just gonna go over the ingredients first and then we'll make it. So I have here a cup of watermelon and I have these in little rounds. So what I did was, if you have a watermelon scooper, they make tools that are just for that, but I used just a tablespoon. If you have a metal one or a plastic one, it works. You don't even need to have a watermelon scooper. You can always cube it if you'd rather. Here I have a half cup of dried cherries. If you want to use fresh, I recommend using fresh. Depending on what's in season, you might not be able to get certain fruits, but the same goes for blueberries. You know, if you can only get dried blueberries, that's okay. But here I have a cup of blueberries, so cup of watermelon, cup of blueberries, half cup of dried cherries, or a full cup if it's fresh. And then I have a half cup of some diced cucumbers. Then we have a quarter cup of feta cheese. I buy the crumbled kind. If you buy it in a block, you can always crumble it yourself. And then we have a full lemon here. You won't need the actual full lemon, but you want a lemon so that you can get the zest for it, because you're gonna need a tablespoon of zest, and then for the juice, you're gonna need a tablespoon of the juice from the lemon. Here I have some mint leaves. I have 2 tablespoons of mint leaves, all chopped nice and finely chopped. Again, if you can use fresh, even better. It tastes even crisper on the salad. Dried, that's totally fine if you are not able to get fresh. Then we have some honey. We have 2 tablespoons of honey here. I recommend using a wild honey or a local honey if you can. And then we have our little lemon zest here with our zester and our lemon juice, and then we did mixed greens. If you want to do spinach or if you want to add in a little bit of kale, you can kind of play with the greens there. And just a little fun fact about blueberries, these have amazing antioxidants. They're so good for you. They also help with and supporting collagen, which is something that is important for your skin and aging. And blueberries and cucumbers together are super hydrating. So they're great when combined together. And all of these yummy things are going to make an amazing salad. So I have all the ingredients kind of prepped for you guys. When you take the cucumbers, you're just going to slice it in fairly thicker slices, and then you're going to cut it in half and then quarter it and cut it in half again. So you only need a half cup of the cucumber here. I'll show you when you are going to do the watermelon. If you wanna just take your little cuber or whatever device you're using, and you kind of just press the cube down and curl it around. Ooh. It's not a perfect cube here, but that's what makes it even fun, right? It doesn't have to be perfect. So now I have a little cube. I'm gonna add this to my little watermelon collection here. And then the zest, we're just going to do a little bit of zest from the skin. It just adds a nice sharp citrusy taste to it, and it tastes even better with that lemon zest. So I'm gonna take my greens. I have a full cup of greens here. You can always do a little bit more. And these ingredients, the way they're measured out, it doesn't have to be perfect. That's the beauty of a salad. You can't really mess up much with a salad. So the ingredients don't have to be perfect. So I'm gonna plate the salad here. We're gonna start with the greens on the bottom and spread those out nicely on the plate. And then we'll start with the blueberries. Hopefully these don't roll around all over. I kind of want to spread these all around my salad so that it's easier when I am going to toss the salad and mix it together. I'm going to try to spread the ingredients around on the plate just so that it's already a little bit mixed. So sprinkling in that half cup of cucumber. We've got our cup of blueberries on there. And then we're going to go for our half cup of dried cherries, which again, you can always use fresh if you'd rather. These will give it a little bit of extra sweetness. And then the best part, watermelon. I love watermelon in the springtime and the summertime. It's great by the pool. It's just a great snack. It's super refreshing and it makes the salad even yummier. So we're gonna put our not so perfect rounds on the salad. And the salad is already, it's looking like a rainbow of colors. There's so many colors on the salad, it looks beautiful. All right, there's our watermelon. Time for the feta. Everybody loves a little bit of cheese. Cheese is everyone's favorite. We're just gonna put a little bit of feta on top. And then now we're going to add our dressings. So I'm gonna start with the mint first and sprinkle the mint on top. The mint is so good. I love mint, whether you're doing it in water with some lime, some sparkling water, or you're putting on top of a salad. The watermelon with the mint and the feta is a really great combination if you've never had just a watermelon salad with mint and feta. And then from here, we're gonna add the zest on top, and then the honey and the lemon zest together acts as our dressing. So you get a little bit of the bite with the citrus from the lemon juice and then the honey, and that's all you need. You don't need any sort of crazy dressings from the store that have all these additives and chemicals and stuff in it. You just need a little bit of lemon juice and some honey, and it makes this all come together. The honey is coming out nice and slow. I love the way honey comes out. It looks so beautiful. Ooh, drizzle that honey on top. Yummy. That looks so good. And that is all she wrote. This is your fruit salad, your spring salad. This is so refreshing, so yummy, and it's gonna taste amazing when you eat it. So make sure that you get all of those yummy ingredients in there. Try out this salad. It's so good, so easy. You guys can make it for sure. And make sure you check out our other videos because we have so many more salads, desserts, we have workouts, we have all the things. So check it out and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you guys next time.